Yo, what's going on, everybody? I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to sit down and talk to you guys about what does real success in trading look like. I feel like a lot of people are confused about what it is or what it looks or feels like to be a successful trader. A lot of us, when we get into trading or you're new to trading, you set really high standards for yourself, and it's always going to be hard to complete those. And those standards that you're setting are actually going to be future blockades that you're going to struggle to get through because you're setting such high expectations to yourselves. When you fall short, that's when you tilt, that's when you spiral out of control, that's when you blow accounts, and that's just not what we want to be doing, right? Trading itself is already hard enough, so don't make it harder by setting ridiculous expectations like I want to make 100K a month. Like, that's fine. You will get there. That's an amazing goal to have. But start by, okay, I want to make enough money trading to be able to pay off my car note. I want to make enough money trading to be able to replace my job's income. And that's how you slowly start chipping away or actually striving towards your goals, right? Now, I was actually talking about this with a student today, but I asked them, I was like, what do you think the real definition of being a successful trader is? And they didn't know what to tell me. They told me a couple things that were kind of relevant, but not what I would define a successful trader. What defines a successful trader is essentially self-mastery, right? The mastery of being patient, executing your system when it appears, not taking trades outside your system, right? Not tilting after you take losses. Those are all parts of self-mastery. Those are not easy things to do, right? That actually goes against the anatomy of our brain. Our brain is wired to when we lose something, we're supposed to chase it and get it back. We have something that, I forget who, but a great psychologist I used to watch where he calls it the caveman brain, right? And we have a caveman brain that when we lose something, we want to fight to get it back. So you have to rewire your brain to do the opposite. And when you lose something, which essentially means money and trading, you could accept that defeat and walk away from it. It's extremely difficult to lose something and walk away. I like to say that there's a couple ways to rewire your brain and learn the system. One way is replacing your old habits with new ones. So, for example, when you take a loss trading, right? Let's say you just fucking crash out whenever you take a loss, and usually right after you take a loss, you happen to immediately place another trade, and that turns into another loss, which spirals into another loss or another one, right? When you take a loss, replace that habit with something like walking your dog, reading a book, doing push-ups. I don't care what it is, but replace that negative trigger and that negative habit with something positive. So that negative trigger starts to have a positive reaction, right? That is going to rewire your brain to chasing that loss, and it's going to say, okay, when we lose, we're just going to walk away and be comfortable with accepting this defeat. That's going to be vital for your trading journey, right? The other way I'd say is to actually practice forms of discipline and patience in your real life, right? A lot of people say it's bullshit and it's fugazi, but if you truly talk to anybody successful in life, they're pretty well-rounded and they're pretty damn disciplined in every aspect of their life, from their diet to their fitness schedule, to literally anything they do in life. They're pretty damn disciplined because whatever you are outside of your work, it's going to reflect in your work. And it's the same thing for trading, right? Whatever you are outside of the charts, it's going to reflect in the charts or when you're on those charts. So if you're somebody who tells yourself you're going to wake up at a certain time every day and never complete it, you're probably going to be the same person who sets a pair of rules for themselves and never follows it. So you need to make sure that your life off the charts reflects who you want to be on the charts. I know it's easier said than done, and it sounds pretty cliche, and it sounds bullshit, because probably you've heard a million people say it, but it's genuinely really true. The habits you have off the charts are going to translate to when you take those losses, to when you're tilted, right? So make sure your whole life is in line with the person you want to be. Another thing I'd say is work on yourself to a undeniable degree, right? If you lack patience, stare at a wall, meditate, read books, right? All things that challenge your patience. Train your patience. If you lack discipline, as I said, train your discipline. If you lack a system, study more, learn a system, build that system. Whether if it's from me and Lazarus, or whether if it's from anybody else, whether if you're trading trend lines, I don't care. But the true mastery to trading is the mental game. You need to conquer yourself. You need to have self-mastery. And then after that, if you have a proper system that you could confide in and use your ability of self-mastery to execute an edge to a amazing standard, you are going to make money. We were talking to a student today and he told us that he had a challenge, that he was struggling trading because he was too focused on his P&L. So he set a rule for himself that he wasn't going to look at his P&L for 10 trades. And in the first 4 trades, he took 4 losses back to back, following all his rules and his risk management. But he still didn't check out his P&L. The 6 trades after that, I'm pretty sure more than half of those were wins. And when he checked his P&L, he had made enough to get a payout. And he couldn't even fathom that, as simple as it was to just simply not focusing on the money, executing his system with perfect self-mastery, and he was able to make money and extract money from these prop firms in these markets. At the end of the day, these prop firms are set up for us to fail, right, guys? So don't let them win. You're playing the prop game. And for all you guys trading live accounts, it's a little bit different, but it's pretty similar. You're still playing a game, right? It's a game against yourself, essentially. These prop firms sets rules against yourself because it knows that you're most likely going to fail them. The game isn't you versus the prop, it's you versus you. Now, on the last part of this video, I want to talk about having a proper system in place to actually confide in so that you'll be able to execute with proper confidence, right? Now, the reason why this is the last part of this video is because I actually think it's the least important. And me coming as a mentor who actually makes money selling education, I don't give a shit whether if you trade my strategy or if you come learn from me. I want to provide you guys real value. And the real value is that you can make money trading any strategy. So don't fall for the fugazi traps on lines that anybody's strategy is better than anybody else's. My strategy that we teach inside of LATH or our system is not better than anybody else's. You could extract an insane amount of money trading any significant edge. So do not let anybody sell you on one specific way of trading. Trade whichever way resonates with you. Now, getting into it, having a system you could rely on is so important. Why? Because when you have statistics, when you have numbers that shows you that you have an edge over a certain period of time, that is going to help you to not tilt, to not feel emotional, to understand your losses, to know that, okay, it's normal for me to go on a 5 trade losing streak, just like my student did, right? It's normal to go on these ups and downs and be slightly break even on a week. It's normal because over a year, over 2, over 10, I'm going to be making money, and that's what inevitably matters, right? We're in this game for the long run. We're not in this game to make money in a week, nor in a month, nor in 2. We're in this game to make money for years to come, right? You want to be green on the year. You want to be green on the years to come, not on this silly little week. It's so small, it doesn't matter. Have a long-term mindset, right? And the only way you're going to have a long-term mindset is if you have a strategy, you're confident and you can confidently execute it, right? Another thing I'd like to say is that when you do have that strategy you're confident in, make sure you backtest it rigorously. Make sure you backtest it until you can't anymore, right? You need to undeniably know your logic, know your system. With that, with proper self-mastery, with a little bit of patience, a little bit of discipline, and just essentially playing the game versus you and winning and conquering yourself, you will make so much money trading. It will change your life. Stop limiting yourself and shooting yourself in the foot because you want to be impatient, because you want to be greedy, because you want to be stupid at the end of the day. Don't be stupid anymore. You have so much potential and you're limiting yourself with such ridiculous efforts that you know are never going to amount to anything. How many times have you made money being stupid? Never. I can't imagine how much money you guys blown on funded accounts, because I've done it. I can't imagine how deep you've dug yourself into holes, blowing evals, gambling them, trying to full port them when you've never even passed one following your rules. And what happens when you get that funded account? You're going to blow it anyways, because you've never properly executed a system with patience, discipline, and true mastery behind it. So please, for the sake of yourselves, for the sake of finally snapping out of it and finally being able to extract money from these markets and winning this game against yourself, focus on what truly matters. Have a proper edge. Execute it with proper patience and discipline to allow that edge to show its profits, to show its true edge. And you will make so much fucking money trading, you won't even know what to do with it. That's all I have to say today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you later. I hope all you guys stay blessed. Peace.